video you can see the puppies from Mr.Duru and Muta. 3 males and 1 female. Very beautiful and very strong. And very nice color. Ia vezi care e fetița. Aia e. Prezinte așa un câte unul. This is the female. He go in US. It's amazing. Next. This is the male. A very strong male. Very beautiful, nice color. Wow. Next. Another male. Very strong, very beautiful, big head, big bones. And this is another male from Mr.Duru and Muta. 2-time Mr.Cub in Pedigree. These are Bloodline Bigdogs Romania Kennel. Lasă-i. Ție, bă, tati, bă. Ție, bă, tati. Bravo, tati.